p.m. County in
At
northeastern
9:01
Illinois.
p.m.
King County
Severe
in
thunderstorms
northeastern
were
Illinois.
located along the line extending from near
At
Tucson to
9:01
near
p.m.
Rochelle,
Severe
moving to
thunderstorms
45
were
miles
located
per
along the
hour.
line extending
After 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
miles per hour. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in At 9:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were looked per hour. At 9:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located. The circling is moving east at 45.
And Derby Grove, Gilbert, remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
For a possible tornado.
Spot a tornado going once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
If you spot a
For
tornado
your
going
protection,
once
move
into
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
And may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is Military Hills. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.